Good morning, y'all. I don't have a stand, so you're going on the plant. Oh, no, you're not. Okay. Okay. Where do I put you? Oh, that's actually perfect. Okay, so good morning, folks. Today is January 2nd. Day 2 of the vlogs. Welcome to the technically official first episode of 360. Today we are going hiking for a singular mile in San Francisco. Because why not? Okay. So that's fun. I'm going to take a shower because I feel nasty. I'm going to take a shower because I feel nasty. My glasses are wet. Breakfast of champions. She procrastinated so hard I did not shower. It's been 20 minutes. Okay, we're gonna go shower now. I'm gonna go shower. I don't want to shower. I'm really lazy. I'm really tired. Okay. Dude, look how fat that crow looks. It's so fat. Bird, 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 bird. Bird. This is where we are, guys. I have no idea where it is, but it's a cool area. Gersten's freezing. Leah's okay. I'm wearing shorts because I was overheating really bad. They're huge. Hi guys, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? Oh. See? They're so big. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I want one. Bird. Bird, bird. What? It is an uphill thing, and I hate uphill. But at least the view is good. You know what I mean? Oh. We're walking backwards. Because I hate walking uphill. I hate uphill. It ruins my day.
Oh my god.
Sorry y'all, I've been videoing a lot with this camera, not my phone, so, but look it. That's cool, right? That's cool. It's giving Highlands. Wait, Kuya, can you film this really quick? Me and Kirsten real quick. Kirsten. 3, 2, 1. Oh, run! Escape the pictures. Three, 2, 1, jump! Ow, my knee. Let's go. Wait, I need to climb back up. What? I'm coming after you. No!
Ano yung nilagay talaga ba? Okay. Tanggalin mo ang kamay. Okay.
If I was flexible enough, I'd go like, but I can't do that. My hips, they're not flexible enough.
Oh.
Wait, I don't know.
That? Yeah.
Yeah, I got that. Upstage me, you rat. Can you do it? You got this. Hold it. Are you ready? Dad's trying to take a photo. Kuya's being Nemo. It's so cold.
Nakikita yung naglag. Ay! Anak ko aeroplano ko yung hangin eh. Wala mo aeroplano.
You can't see your double chin because of your stupid jacket. I don't want to see my double chin. Yeah, I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
Gusto niyo ba ng double chin? So kuya, where's kuya?
Sit down at my table.
Hindi na dito.
Madali, Kirsten. Yan. Kumpo ka na. Ikaw.
Leave me alone. Please let me through. Please let me through. So we finally finished photos. What's gonna happen? My lips are getting like really chapped and like it's really cold. So I feel like if I put this on, it will be like warmer. But so let's try this. I got it as a Christmas gift. We'll see how it works.
Maganda doon. Nag-video ka na?
No.
Here!
Wow. Finished photos part 2. We are walking down. We're going to the beach. Let's go to the beach, beach. Let's go. Are we going down this way? Made a noise. Exploring Hot Town.
What the
You want to go into the toilet, Kirsten?
No.
Good, that's really smart. Last of this, we're driving to the beach. I was about to get in the car, but I just realized that. There's 2 of them.
Smile.
Smile! Oh, bye. Smile. What a diva. That's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna go in now. It's cold. We're heading down to the beach. We're going to the beach. Let's run away. Hey. Don't know why we're going to the beach during winter, but it's okay. Person's walking ahead like normal because she's a rat. I bet she likes these steps too, because she's short and these are like really steep steps. She's really like steep steps. Alright, hi Cleo. How you doing? Apparently, oh, that's a duck over there. There's so many ducks apparently, like in the background. Kirsten's giving me a rock. And she won't film me! She won't film me because she's a rat. Boom! We are leaving the beach. The beach. You missed me. It's a train. It's so funny. Is it letting us?
Stop.
This is a problem. Mother really needs to pee, so we literally took a U-turn. At least we're not panicking. We're in Marugame Udon. I got like a curry noodle thing. Some potatoes. Kirsten's eating over there. Mom and Dad are over there. I have no idea where all my siblings are, but it's okay. It's good. What is that? What the? They're like, you want jelly? Here you go.
Jelly.
I got a matcha brown sugar looking thing.
I think I got lychee, ginseng oolong.
Yeah, I forgot to vlog and say we were in the mall. That's where we ate.
Yeah,
It's okay. The shorts were a mistake. The shorts were a mistake. I understand that now. It's okay though. She doesn't. We don't discriminate. It's the choice that I will not make in the future. It won't go with my outfit a while ago. Just not with the hoodie. Hey guys, it is. I just got home. It's around 7. I have to edit this video so I can get it up by tonight so that we can successfully do the 365 day series. I'm gonna go. I have to leave. Kristen's over here.
You can close the window.
I'm saying goodbye to the vlog for today because I really need to edit this video. I look so pale on camera. Look at this.
It's the lighting.
I know. Alright, I have to go. I have to edit this video. I have to shower. I have to clean the desk because I just trashed it right before I left. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed watching whatever I'm gonna get from the footage today. Alright, bye. Subscribe and like, please. I almost forgot to say, please subscribe and like. I really want to see what happens if I upload every day for a year. Okay, bye.